Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a nostalgic recipe called Tea Kadai Bonda, also known as Kadlamavu Bonda or Medu Bonda. It is made with gram flour or kadlamavu along with other ingredients. This is one of my favorite evening snacks to this day. After school, my dad would bring snacks from the nearby tea kadai or tea shop where they would sell medu bonda, medu vadai, parupu vadai, bhaji, pakoda, laddu and jeera dosai all served with tea and coffee. I have missed this medu bonda ever since I moved to another country. And finally, I made it to celebrate our anniversary. I was so happy to achieve the same taste and texture as the ones from the tea shop. Let's get into the recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup of gram flour or besan, quarter cup of rice flour and quarter cup of maida, all-purpose flour. Next, add salt and red chili powder to taste. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, a few curry leaves and a handful of chopped coriander leaves. If you prefer, you can also add chopped green chilies. Mix everything well. Gradually add enough water, continuing to mix until you achieve a slightly thick batter as shown in the video. Finally, add baking soda, give it a good mix and set it aside. Meanwhile, heat oil in a frying pan. You can either use a spoon or your hands to shape small bondas and drop them into the oil. Deep fry over medium to low heat for even cooking. If the oil is too hot, the bondas will cook quickly on the outside but remain raw on the inside. So be patient and fry the bondas on medium or low heat to get a crispy exterior and a soft interior. It may take a little time, but it is totally worth it. Those days when onion prices were high, this medu bonda would often be made with chopped cabbage instead of onions. I love bondas with cabbage. It actually tastes much better than the ones with onions. Also, the size of these bondas is bigger and one bonda will fill your tummy. You don't need any chutneys to accompany these bondas. You can eat them as they are with a hot cup of tea. It is best combo ever. I made these bondas along with asoka alva, paneer tawa pulao and carrot raita to celebrate our wedding anniversary. I have already posted the asoka recipe on my channel and it turned out so well we could not resist eating it all. If you have not seen it yet, I will provide the link in the description for you to watch. My husband loves fried food like vada and pakoda. Since I did not soak any lentils, these bondas are perfect. They don't require any preparation and takes very little time to make. Our tea kadai bondas are ready. They are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. It took a little time to fry them perfectly, but it is totally worth it. Repeat the same process until all the batter is used up. Enjoy the hot bondas with a cup of hot tea. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thank you all for watching.